In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma tutorial, how to access Figma files history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your file's history, how to browse older versions, and how to restore a version or simply check what a specific page looked like on a certain date. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in, head to the file you want to review. Open the file so you're looking at the canvas and make sure you're on the page you're interested in. This keeps things clear as you move into the history view. Next, look to the top left corner and click the Figma logo. That's the main menu. From there, go to the File option and choose Show Version History. This opens the version history view for your current file. When the history view appears, you'll see a panel on the right side with a timeline of previous versions. Each entry is labeled with a date and time, and often who made the change. Click any entry to preview how the file looked at that moment. The canvas switches into a read-only state, which is helpful because you can explore without accidentally making edits. If you're trying to retrieve an earlier state, use the Restore option you'll see while that version is selected. Restoring will make that version the current one for the file. If you only want to reference something from the past without fully rolling back, you can still browse around, zoom in, and review details to understand what changed. To check a specific page from a specific date, first select the date you want from the version list on the right. Then, in the Files page list, click the page you want to inspect. This lets you drill down to exactly the page you care about at that point in time, which is great for comparing iterations or confirming when a change was introduced. A couple of quick tips as you browse. The history view is safe for exploration, so take your time before deciding to restore. If you're collaborating, the dates and authors help you understand who made what change and when. And remember, you can exit version history anytime to return to normal editing once you've finished reviewing. That's it. Open the Figma website, open your file and page, click the Figma logo, choose Show Version History, then use the right side panel to review or restore what you need. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.